All right, guys, welcome back to episode 4 of Building the Race Hyper. Today, we are finally going to be installing the exhaust for the 3rd time. I promise you we're actually installing this thing today. We are doing the auto blipper on this bike. We're getting a lot of stuff buttoned back up. We're gonna be just trying to catch up, so you'll see a lot of sporadic things kind of be thrown together. Our brake lines did come in, so we can go ahead and get those mounted up. But for the most part, it's just gonna be a master install and assembly day and get this thing ready to go out to the dyno here in the next day. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
All right, so we got our core brake lines in. Big shout out to Core Moto. They came in less than 24 hours after we ordered them. We have our IRC auto blipper kit for this. Big shout out to Scott at MOTO-D. Always looking out for the channel. Appreciate it. The SC project that you guys seen in last video. We did get the stock rear manifold back, and then we'll end up doing the kickstand delete and just going through and getting everything done. The only thing that we're not going to be installing and finishing up in this video is we did order the exhaust valve eliminator, you know, the servo eliminator, but it's not here yet. But that's going to go right here where the stock servo motor was, and you can actually get to it with the gas tank and everything back in. So we'll just be able to button that up real quick when that comes in. So without further ado, let's get to work. Radiator guard installed. New Core Moto line in the front installed and routed. Of course, we don't have it hooked up yet because we still got to put the tank on and everything, and then get the bars set, and then we'll get that bolted to the master and that bled. And then the rear. Core did an awesome custom job with these. Super impressed, and they had them to us in less than 48 hours, man. And we went ahead and we used all the factory hardware and everything to keep it looking good. So now we're gonna go ahead, focus on the left side, and get the new IRC auto blipper installed. Quickshifter is installed. As you can see, just like with the Power Commander, we got everything tidied up, tucked away nicely under the seat. So now what we can do, and you can see we got most of the exhaust installed as well. I don't know if I updated this in the video as of yet, but all the hard stuff is done. So now what we can do is put the tank back on and then get everything routed and mounted, and then we'll get the exhaust on and then get the brakes bled and take her for a test drive. Well, people, she is done for the most part. We got the top of the handlebar piece on, both the grip covers, both the left side and the right side, clutch and brake protection, those lever guards. Got our new 3D Tech Performance Technology master cylinder with the matching no drag clutch lever. We've got our auto blipper installed, the rear sets, of course, that you've seen since the beginning. Everything is tightly done underneath the seat, and we have that beautiful SC Project titanium exhaust that we're gonna get some color in. Couple things about the exhaust: they didn't bring enough springs and they're the wrong length, but hey, we don't flaw good parts. They look great. Do me a favor, comment down below if you think that we should run the actual SC Project sticker. This isn't a knockoff, these are real pipes over here. But comment down below, do you think we should run the sticker or naked carbon just like that? And then all that's left that we're gonna button up on this is we're gonna put some of the crash protection on there. We got some more goodies from DUCABIKE. So we're gonna go ahead and just button up that protection on the left and right side, get it done, and then we'll see you on next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we love building it. Give it a thumbs up on your way out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and we'll see you on the next one.